As you can see here, I have not touched this chart since last week. You can go look at our previous live stream video if you would like to see more information about Bitcoin. We covered it last week in our live stream exactly 7-8 days ago. All of these lines were in place on that chart. Now that we got that, we mainly established this downtrending price channel, which is what we were able to establish last week once it was confirming a rejection right around this price point here. So 2 streams ago, it was down. Last stream, it went up. We found our resistance here. Then the resistance turned into a trend support, or a downward trending price channel. Want to make sure I'm getting my terminology right for you guys. Turned into a downward trending price channel, slight slant there, which ultimately represents a dead cat bounce. What is a dead cat bounce? It's typically regarded as the first bounce after a trend is broken. So if clearly Bitcoin was growing up between year 2020 and mid 2021, where it peaked, we saw this massive drop off of about exactly 49-50%. At that time, it saw a little bit of false confidence, one could refer to it as. This notion of this relatively small gain after a large drop off is what we would refer to as the dead cat bounce. So again, it went from trending up, broke, it was down. It then saw what is currently being identified as false confidence right here, and that is now breaking down. Once that starts tipping over, that is when it's confirmed a dead cat bounce. We confirmed have our downward trending price channel. As you can see, today was not very good for crypto. Crypto as a whole. It's not just this coin, but this is the most notable of the coins, one we've talked about here prior. I don't really invest in crypto, but I know a lot of you guys often ask me questions about what's going on in the space, so I like to make sure I cover it for you guys. So again, in general, crypto is down as a whole on the day, a massive amount of 7.4% currently. It was down as much as 9.98%. You can't make this stuff up, guys. You can't make this stuff up. Yeah, so exactly 10%. It pushed down exactly 10% on the day. And doing a little bit of consolidation. We could even zoom in a little farther to the hourly. You can see what it looks like there. You had your push down, followed by a little bit of flag, a little bit of consolidation here. Most likely it's going to continue to the downside. It's a little hard to see the wick with something about that right where my cursor is, you can see there's the 800 billion market cap. It seems to have wicked down to that price point twice. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. It's not really an investment. It's a tool for transferring money from one place to another. Just wanted to make sure we commented on that because that is a gigantic red candle. You can definitely see the stair stepping taking place. I'll show you here. This could even be identified as a trend inside a trend, but I would most likely need more information in the form of just time to be able to draw that conclusion. Here, look. Sorry. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. The lines add up. The lines add up. Is all I'm saying. Most likely, these 3 trend lines that we just added are going to confirm, but we will only know that with time. As you can see, there's a little bit of a parallel there. Again, we will need time to see. Let's go on to the next ticker, something a little more recommendable.